ever peeled an onion and seen those black streaks or soothy layer inside? That's not death. It is a fungus. And according to scientists, it is more dangerous than most people think. Today, let's uncover what black mold in onions really is, why it matters, and how to keep your kitchen safe from it. What it is. Scientists call it black mold rot. It is caused by a common soil fungus called Aspergillus niger. It gets into the bulb through tiny wounds like bruises, cracks, or rough handling during harvest and storage. Then what is the concern for us? As per food safety, here is the problem. Some Aspergillus strains produce toxic chemicals called mycotoxins. Mainly you find fumonisine, B2, or cractoxin A. These toxins that they produce have been linked to kidney damage. It could even cause DNA that we are made of, cause the mutation, and even certain cancers in animals. A Brazilian study in PubMed in 2020 reported that over 50% of onions isolates had fumonisine B2. That's quite huge. The storage temperature, high humidity with moisture is a good condition for this particular fungi to grow. When it comes to food safety, the danger is when the mold penetrates into the edible layers. That is why food safety experts say, don't risk it. What should you do? Throw it away. This is how to stay safe. Buy onions that are firm, dry, and free from black streaks. Ensure when you buy your onions, you store in cool, dry, ventilated baskets, not in sealed plastic. Keep them away from moisture. Let's consider children and sensitive groups. While black mold affects onion, remember that mold spores spread easily in kitchens. So people with weak immunity or asthma, including kids and elderly, are more sensitive to the spores. Ensure that you keep storage areas clean and dry. And please don't let children play with moldy onions or inhale dust from them. Keeping a clean kitchen is important. So next time you cut into an onion and see black soot, you don't need to panic, please. But don't ignore it either. Check it, peel it, or toss it. And remember, food safety starts with awareness. If this has helped you, please hit, share it with your friends who love cooking, and subscribe for more science-backed food safety insights right here on this channel. Hope to see you next time.